Good morning, everyone, and welcome. This is PHC Trader. Today, Friday, May 23rd, 9:31 open, 9:31 a.m. Market just open, 9h31. Bonjour à tout le monde. Le marché vient d'ouvrir. 9h31, le 23 mai 2025. On vient de passer la 105. We just passed the 105. Market is moving pretty good, meaning the ATR is at 22.88, which is good. 5 minutes right here on your right, you can see that we're moving up. There's a pivot point at 2900 on the 15 minutes. Okay. Excuse me. Let's see. All right. Okay, waiting. We've got 200 right up here on the 12 cats, selling 5 candles, starting at the 1. This is quite aggressive move that we have right now, going up. All right, guys. Just doing one account today. Connection, disconnect, rhythmic. All right. This goes up. I'm gonna trade this account here. 5. Just one account. See, we got the this is the 50, so it's the 250 right here. I knew we were gonna come back. This is normal because this is a 200. So we got the 9, the 21, the 50 here, 21 the blue. This is the 105, which is the 20 on the 5 minutes. We got a pivot point. Most likely we're gonna come back and go back up. Gotta watch this one here. This is my VWAP. This is my opening range. This is a prior low. This is another pivot. Okay. Gold today, 3 trades, $100 each, that's it. And just look here, I'd stop right at the this line right here, which is a 50, right? Look at the 50 on the 5 minutes. Right here. Look on your right. Right here. This is where we are right here. So then we've got the VWAP is plunging down. The yellow is going up. Everything's going up. All my exponential moving average. Look at the 15 minutes going up. Look what happened on the 15 minutes. You've got the 21 that crossed the VWAP. All right. On the 1 hour, we still have the a green candle that needs to close. 15 minutes left. Needs to close above the pivot and needs to close above the 200. See, right there. So we can't be in a rush. Gotta take our time. Let's see what kind of we got. This is a good account. Okay. Day 2 contract. Okay. 940 already. Just bounce back the pivot, so let's see what this candle's gonna do. I'm glad it did what it just do. Je suis content que ça a fait ce que ça vient de faire. J'espère que ça va remonter. Ça rebondit sur le pivot ici. On remonte un peu. This area, un peu difficile à passer à travers. A little bit difficult to go through this area, especially with this VWAP here. If we look, all right. This is for my this one. I'll bring it up. It's not set yet, but okay, we got this. This is the prior low. So I'm waiting for a candle to close above or below the blue box. Excuse me. J'attends pour qu'une des chandelles se ferme au-dessus ou en dessous de la boîte. I'm in pour l'instant. Pardon. Je vais pas prendre le trade vers le bas pour l'instant parce que I'm not finding this attractive for the moment. ATR est bon, par exemple, 31.36. Ici, j'ai 9,37, 9,50, 13 points. 80, 74, 6 points. It's tight. It's tight, tight. Ça sert à rien de faire une trade pour l'instant si on veut. 9h45, c'est ici. It's 9:45, so I'm putting this opening range right there. 9:30 is yep. This is my opening range. Got my box of tissue and the line right here, the blue line here, that's my 105, which is the 21. On the 5 minutes, c'est la 105, celle-ci. Et la 21 sur la 5 minutes, nasty. Stay away from it. But we passed it nicely, so that shouldn't be a problem. Ouais, je décide de pas le prendre. be right back. If I did take it, I would have got it, right? But look, I would have been nervous, that's for sure. You can wait for something better. There's always one coming. J'aurais réussi si j'étais rentré, mais j'aurais été nerveux. Parce que je serais monté de 8,64 à 10 points. 6 x 2. 20 x 20, $400. C'est descendu jusqu'ici, ça fait 4. Okay. Ok, il n'y a pas de direction en ce moment. Le marché move en vague, comme vous pouvez voir. The market move in waves, as you can see. Up and down, and up and down, and up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. We went all the way up. Look on the 5 minutes. Is it gonna bounce back? Long wick, right? The long wick and decision. ATR 30. 1 hour below the 200. Right at the pivot, not good. All right. Let's see what's going on here. When we're passing a pivot, I'm going to show you what I see. when you pass a pivot, it's gonna go back like this, or it's gonna go back all the way to one of these, the yellow, the blue. Then I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna enter right there. Quand on passe au pivot, c'est mieux de pas rentrer tout de suite. It's better not to enter after you pass it, especially here, right? But we have the 200 here, so this is not a good entry here. This is not a good entry. But let's say we're here, we would want it to go and touch, then go back up. Wonder if we have any news.
Ooh, so. That was uncalled for. That was absolutely uncalled for. Right there is more evidence for emotional damage. Once we file lawsuits, that's just more evidence of emotional damage. What a dirty move. Now I'm stubborn. I am not taking my I'm this market, you're gonna go higher.
1, 2, 3, 4,
I will
5.
call the
That's
SEC
my
on you.
box. Always start with a
Don't make me
6
do it.
and with a 0. 1 and a 5. 6, 0.
How does it do that?
1,
how did we go from the 906s
etc.
to the 860s in one blink of an eye? Someone needs to explain that. Like, seriously.
Le 5, 6, 0.
Someone actually needs to.
Ainsi de suite.
Someone needs questioned for that. That's unacceptable. Stupid market. Some days I question why I do this. Why? Why do we do this? Absolute insanity. Come on!
9h56, 4 minutes, on a des nouvelles. Friday.
Yeah, Matt. I am not a big fan of those wicks either. I do not like them one bit. Let's see if we get another hope and nope situation here. Hope and nope number 3.
So it's going to be negative news. Sounds like it.
Yeah, Design Knob said the market sucks and he's finished trading forever. We will see Design Knob tomorrow or on Monday, maybe Tuesday. We'll see you Tuesday, Design Knob. It's fine. Everything is fine. Getting I'm getting... I feel like I have to get out if this close. I mean, these wicks are just so bad. These wicks are just so bad.
I could say that I missed one here. And see this one? If I enter here, I would have been nervous, but maybe it went straight down. So I could have said possibly I missed this one.
They're actually news in 2 minutes. New home sales.
Donc on pourrait dire que j'ai manqué ceci. J'aurais pu faire ceci, mais je l'ai manqué. Mon stop là, ça aurait été ici. Mais si on regarde la distance, 28,80 disons. That's 30 points, 30 points, that's $600. I don't like that.
It's not a red folder news event.
One minute, 10 o'clock news.
I give up. I surrender. I surrender. I'm going to be so upset if this thing rips now. I will actually be mad. So I'm not even going to look at the chart. Maybe it won't happen. I'm not kidding, guys. I'm not kidding. If this day has any hope, this market better tank right now. It's gonna trigger me more than getting stopped out.
That's the 10 o'clock candle right now.
Don't do it, market. Don't. No, no. Don't. Hey, Dr. Mike Trades. Take care, man. Take care. We'll be here. Please go lower, market. Please. I'm begging you. You were up 800 and you wanted to have 1,000, then you went negative 1,000, then climbed to 600, then down back to 600. Oh, I'm so sorry, Jordan, and I don't mean to laugh because I've been there. That is so frustrating. So yesterday I ended up.
Would I take a trade right now? No. Look.
Which one was it? So this account, this my funded future account.
We got this.
What was I? $800 in the red. I ended up battling it back to like $150 red. And now we got them back. We got them back to similar balances, which is okay. But now I'm also a little bit gonna mess things up a little bit because now my trade days for this is gonna be like, now I have a red day on this account, so I need 4 more days now instead of 3. Should be fine. We'll just trade an extra day. No, they really trading in 9:30 to 10 a.m. area that I know better, David Huber. Yes, sir, Dad. Yes, Dad, I do know better, but I did it anyway. No, I know what you mean. I do try not to, but I mean, I definitely, this was a bad trade right here. I should have waited. This was a good entry. There was nothing wrong with this entry, but I deserved that one. I deserved this one. I thought we were going to dip a little bit, and I was just a little bit too... I was a little bit too infatuated with the VWAP here. Thought we'd go test the VWAP. We didn't. I would not be surprised if we see this go sideways now the rest of... for the next 2 hours.
Pivot, guys. Shit, I didn't even see it. It's another one. Pivot, this resistance, and this 200 resistance. You don't want to trade here. And another thing. If I do the Fibonacci, my 50 is right here. Okay, that's some encouraging.
Stupid market. Now it's gonna... there it goes. Urgh! I just knew it. I knew it.
See how we touch.
Now I don't know what to do here. This thing...
50, that's times 5.
It's just gonna rip right through the VWAP here above the 960s.
So I'm not trading that either.
Man. Dantaloid Dan, trade the range. Too easy.
Right, too tight.
We learned our lesson yesterday. We can't
right.
taunt the markets. We just can't do it. As fun as it is, we can't taunt the markets. We got to make sure we stay very, very humble. Humility is a very underrated trading strategy.
What do you expect?
Humility is a very underrated trading strategy. That's for sure.
Expect this and this.
All right, here we go. Let's see if we make new highs. We would have hit my target. My target would have been hit now. Here we go. Gonna rip. I can feel it without me. Sad face.
Is pushed right back on a little bit here again. I think we got to get through that high though. Either way, just got to run that high. All this, there's some bears got their stops sitting above that 950.
Still waiting to get out of this nightmarish situation. Would love to pass and go look, make our money right here. Test the 200 and go back up. All right. 15 minutes moving up slowly. À 5 minutes, à 15 minutes, on s'en va vers le haut tranquillement. The 1 hour, 20 minutes. We're just at the 200. We pass the pivot. Five minutes, we passed the 50, which is good. We did before at 9:40. Went down. You could say this is a bull flag. So technically, again, I had one opportunity over here. Could I have one here? One here. And do 3, 4, 4 opportunities. Then grab one of them. Look at the 5. We're getting close to the 50, which is this one here. We're down by 1.31%. Down from here. On était en bas, négatif 1.32% de cette ligne ici, pointillée, qui est le prior low. Ok, ça c'est fort. I don't trade big candles like this. Can go all the way back down. Look at this. It's big, strong. Okay, let it come back down. VWAP always comes back down. Ooh. J'ai VWAP my opening range here. Chaque transaction trade que je fais ne sont pas toujours bonnes, hein? Si j'en ai 7 sur 3, je me sens très bien. Mais quand j'en ai une que je manque, il faut que j'accepte. See it one and touch the opening range. Can come down here. Look, it didn't really cross the 9. Nuff. See? Here a little bit. If I do an entry, the next one, it's gonna be around here. What does it look like? We close 4 minutes. See the 5 minutes? We close above. The 15 we close above. So we went up above the opening range. Looks like we're coming back down. It's not. ATR 22.89. I don't want to trade this. Why? Look, 200. There's another support here. No trade is a winning trade. Remember that. Pas faire de transaction, c'est gagner. Ce n'est pas perdre. Perdre, c'est perdre. J'aurais pu en faire une ici. 21, je serais allé le chercher. Je peux rentrer quand j'ai vu le wick qui a arrêté ici. Puis de là, là, c'est quoi? C'est 27. 27. 29, c'est 8 points. Pas assez, not enough. ATR moved back up to 21.51. We opened at 18, went up to 28.95. 28.95, 33, 36, 26, 22, opening range, hitting the opening range again, trying to pass through the 9, the 105, the opening range, the VWAP. A lot of crap going on. making sure I'm trading the right account. Let's verify everything. NQ, 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 NQ. Some practice I was doing earlier today. Here, 74, 20 points.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Made 105. See how tight it is? It's very tight because of this resistance. Très serré. C'est difficile de faire les transactions aujourd'hui, d'après moi. Parce que j'ai pas un signal clair. Il y a toujours une résistance ou un support ou une méchante 250, une méchante 1000 ou une méchante 105. There's always a bad EMA that I need to watch with my 10-point rules. See, I entered right here, 84. I was, oh my god, that was tight. That was very tight. I think it's a little bit of luck here. Lucky trade. J'étais chanceux ici. Là, ça redescend vers vers la 200, vers la 50, vers un pivot. Si on regarde un peu plus loin, dire que ça on est dans une montée. Ah, pas ça, mais ça ici. Peut-être. ATR est bon. 22.24, the ATR is good. We're going a little bit on a horizontal right now. We're trying to go above 29.94. See the 2100. That's a nasty area. Right at VWAP, guys. Nightmare. VWAP and the opening range. ATR 2153. All right, I need 2 more trades. Come on. 2 autres transactions. $15. Looks like we're closing above 10 minutes off. Minutes. I had it at my 90 minutes. My 60 minutes, I had it at 90 minutes. We need this under 5 minutes to close. Green. See, I'm not taking another trade here. No way, Jose. Je prends pas une autre transaction ici. C'est trop serré. Regardez ici auparavant. Regardez ici comment on s'est fait arrêter. Ici. On n'est pas allé plus haut. Ok, c'est quoi ça? This area here is what? 29.93. We're right next to 2100. $7h44 ce matin. This morning at 7:44, we were there. See, we still have space to go up to this point at least. 21.41. We should break out. On devrait se diriger vers le haut pretty soon. Back down again. Look at this. Wave, boom, boom. Look at this. Jeez. Please bear flag. Bull flag. Bull flag. Really? Meh. Maybe that's another one here. Cette région-ci, là. Dangereux. Ça a l'air de vouloir bouger vers le haut, mais it's a long candle. Not crazy about that. Gonna look at my ES on the other side. Yes. Looks like the same. Yes, we're above VWAP. Well, we are here too. Ouais, pas mal la même situation avec le ES. Une minute. Pretty much same situation on the ES. I gotta find out about. Je veux savoir ce qui se passe avec. Ah. Ok, ça c'est juste pour ça ici. Look like we want to go back down, but we are in an uptrend, right, guys? So, am I gonna trend down now? No. See this line here? Golden line. Shows we're on an uptrend. Monday I'm trying to open a, well, I will, not Monday, Tuesday, Monday the market is closed, but I'm going to be opening Certify account. I heard, listening to several people out there, that Certify were the best for your buck if you're trading less than 5 accounts. The 25. Okay, guys. Oui, ce que je disais tantôt, c'est que concernant les prop firms, la meilleure pour l'instant, c'est celle-ci. Take Profit Trader. Donc, si vous avez moins de 5 comptes à trader, prenez des comptes de 25 000. Le compte de 25 000, c'est celui qui est le plus facile à passer. Et vous pouvez faire des retraits aussitôt que vous avez passé le 1500 $ plus un 1000 $ de buffer. There's people doing roofing right next to where I'm working, and I can tell you what a hell of a job. I did that one summer a long time ago. That was hard. Je regarde les gens qui font une toiture de maison. Je peux vous dire que c'est très difficile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Je l'ai fait durant un été, il y a très longtemps. J'ai eu mal au dos pendant des mois. We could be going down. tempting. Yeah, I could have taken it. It was what? 41. Yeah, it was a good one. I'm not crazy of those setup. It's too tight. Why should I lose? Peut-être dans cette région-ci, ce serait plus facile. Mais entre vous et moi, between you and I, guys, this between here and there. I mean, come on. Like here and there. Forget that. Now we're gonna go back up, and then if I draw my box, si je fais ma boîte. If we come back up between here and there, maybe I can do one again. But between the 50 and the 200 here, this here, that's, yeah, that was a good one, but crazy hard. See how it stopped right there? Right on this 105. Why did it stop here, guys? It stopped there because of the 21 here. The 21 here on the 5 minutes, I put it right here. I've done some research, and you know, the one in the 5 minutes, one candle of the 5 equivalent to 5. So it makes sense to put these exponential moving average on this chart. Donc ça a du sens de mettre ces exponential moving average de ce tableau à ce tableau ici. Big doji. Donc on sait pas dans quel sens ça s'en va. We don't know in which direction it's going with this doji, like this one here. If it goes below here at 5 seconds, I don't like it. Looks like a doji again. Look. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I could get that. What time is it? It's 11. There's activities on packet. There's some news going on. We'll find out. Excuse me, guys. Sometimes I forget I'm on the camera. This is the center of the range right here. What time is it? 11:11. Kind of late. Look, we're in a downtrend now. Alright guys, I know I'm being quiet. On 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing really going on. Seems like we may go down a little bit. What's going on down? Resistance. I mean support 2885. Right here. Oh, that's the center of the opening range. And we get a pivot right there. Did we go lower than this? $11.18. The only trade I made was this one. It was a risky one too. Let's see. I did my trade here. Whoop. I did my trade, enter right here. Got out right there. This one I would have been too close to my 50, which is a 250. This one I would have been a good one. This one I didn't take it because we crossed the 200 and the chance that it's gonna go back up is really high, which it did. Look, I messed up, guys. Look, my box. 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be like this. 5. Let me fix this. Let me see here. I don't want to miss something. 6. Do I want to take it? Look.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Okay, 210, high close. Guys, I got lucky, I think. All right, let's go back here. Okay, I got 5, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Where did I mess up? I messed up somewhere. I got 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1. That's here. It should be like this. Should be like that. This one should be like this. See how I can mess up. Okay. Okay. May have another trade here. Excuse me. $5 still below the VWAP. One minute 17 seconds. Like it to close below, above. Let's make it big. All right. I want to close above. One, two, three, four, 5. Good. 5 minutes here. I've got 21 seconds. Look, it's not closing. 15, 14 seconds. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2. Jesus, it closed right on it. I did here. Look, it closed below. Sitting on VWAP. Look at the 5 minutes. 2 minutes. See what happened. Needs to close above. Need to close around here. ATRs at 15, guys, went down. I think red's better. Red 5. Look, it did close here. Above. I'm gonna go back to the blue. Like the blue. Dodge blue. Yeah, Dodge blue is good. That's too close. Like that. See, I don't know. I don't like that wick. J'aime pas le wick ici. Tu vois, ça, ça fait pas. I don't like it.
Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted.
I think I should stop. I'm at 290. I'll do a recap, guys. I think I'm gonna stop now. I'm happy I was able to bring it up to here. Alright. Je suis content d'avoir amené à 290. Je pensais pas me rendre aussi haut, mais j'ai été chercher mon but. Donc on se rejoint un peu plus tard. Je vais faire un recap des 2 dernières semaines parce que j'ai voyagé, donc c'est pour ça que je suis enrhumé. J'ai attrapé un rhume. Been sick for a week and been traveling before that, so I'm going to do recaps and post all these videos for you guys. Thanks very much for watching.